So in our previous video, this is where we had reached. You are posting the form and something seemed to be changing here, which you can actually do it again just to see what I mean. So even if we put nothing here, so I put something, say something, it appears somewhere around here. So it's important to see what's happening so that we can quickly see what was happening in our server. So we see we sent a get request here. In this case we send with some data, so say FGS whatever. However, if we go to our locals and look at our admin site, where again we had students, let's say we add a new student, a student named say John Doe, who has an email do at john.com, so that's email. The age say 10, interests swimming, right? So save. Okay, if we do that and we look at our server, let's see what happened. Okay, alright, so we notice something interesting happened here, specifically that we posted the data to admin home student add. However, in our forms here what we are doing is a get, right? So as remember when we talked about HTTP verbs, when you want to add something or change something in the server, then you need to use the post, not the get. So to do that, first thing, we go back right here. How we had the method, we change that to post. Okay. Alright, so let's try that now. See what happens. So we load our form. Then once again just test and then you try it out. Seem to have run into a different problem. So now we have CSRF verification. This basically means cross-site request forgery. You can look more into that. CSRF, what it's all about. However, I have a nice link about it here, which I'm gonna put into the learning platform, so you can look at it from there. Okay, moving on. So to put in the CSRF, all you need to do is you just echo it out. That's it. So just come here, just do this. That's it. Save it. Okay, let's go ahead and try that. So what we see here is a CSRF token, but here it's useless. It's not going to do anything for us, even if say we tried something and just tried posting to it. Our verification will still fail. So what we need to do is we need to change these tags. So these tags need to look like this. Okay, right? We don't need to load that. Let's just load so you can see it. Okay, so now we can check in to see what that did for us. So this is what it did. It created a new type called a new input type called hidden with a name and with the value. This is basically the token that we had echoed in before, but now it keeps on changing from request to request. Okay, so Django does that for us. So let's try it now. Okay, so far so good. You are able to post data. You can actually see it here in the server. However, we are not yet saving the data. The data is coming in. Specifically, the data is coming in here. So we can check out in our view file. So because the post is getting posted to the same page, it simply comes here. And you can quickly confirm that by printing out from the request, let's print out the post variables. Okay. All right. So let's see what happens now. So do that and so go back to our server. All right. So you see this what got posted, right? So let's get there. Then on the next video we're gonna look into how we can actually save the data that we're getting from our form.